Hi, I'm Mike, the two-lane traveler. Today's August 7th, 2026, and I've been waiting for this day for quite a while. I've been planning it for the better part of a year, and I've been thinking about it for the last 10 years. 2026 is the 100th anniversary of the U.S. highway system. And specifically, it's the 100th anniversary of Route 66. And I am taking about 5 weeks to drive from Chicago to Los Angeles and Santa Monica. This is my 6th trip along 66 from end to end. I'm going to take 2 days to drive up to Chicago. So today, my end is going to be Cave City, Kentucky, where I am staying at the Wigwam Village number 2, which is a really cool place if you've never seen or never heard of it. And in the meantime, I am going to be traveling through Cumberland Gap. I will see you down the road. Before we connect to the main route to Chicago, we're taking the scenic back roads through Cumberland Gap. Standing up here at Pinnacle Overlook, looking out over 3 states, it's the perfect way to start the longest road trip of my life. I've made it to Cave City, Kentucky. I've stayed in all 3 surviving Wigwam villages, but this is my first time back at number 2 under the new owners. Walking into one of these teepees never gets old. The highlight of the night is seeing this newly restored neon sign glowing bright. Tomorrow we take a 3-hour detour for a brand new fiberglass giant before making it to downtown Chicago for the official start. See you on day 2.